welcome back to the channel. So I got Mark. So right here we have George, who's going to be removing his stock sport bumper, diffuser and all that. We're going to mount up the IPL bumper that we're also going to be wrapping today, so you guys will see a time lapse of that. We figured since this bumper doesn't have that big ball like this one does, it's easier to wrap it in all in one piece, except probably we're just going to do this separate piece right here. This is going to be one separate piece, and then from there we're going to do the rest of it all in one piece, just because I don't want any wrinkles or any major stretching that will discolor the wrap. So that's why we're going to do this little ball right here in a separate piece. So we're going to be doing these first. We're going to be wrapping this middle section in gloss black. So there we have it. Rear bumper is off, tail lights off, everything's off. Ready to mount this one, but oh, you have to take off the sensors, Lee. Pop them out. All little sensors. All right, so here we have it. We got these two edges done. So these are the edges that have that sharp corner right here. So in order to avoid any discoloration, we did those in separate pieces so we don't have to stretch it over and across. So, I mean, I'd rather do this. Plus, KPMF is super thin, so once it overlays, it's really hard to see. So it's better like to do it like this instead of having it discolor when you stretch it over. The sides are done, diffuser area done. Ready to mount up, and then we could do the rest of it all in one giant piece. Yeah, put those at the end. So sensors will go on at the end. Right now, we're gonna mount out the bumper, and then we'll start wrapping it. Right. So here we have the bumper mounted up, semi-mounted up. We just have one clip, one and one, holding it up, and then we're gonna roll out one giant piece to do the rest of the bumper. Should be fairly easy, so we can get to it. So this is where we're at. We're starting to put everything back together. Bumper is officially done. Just finished trimming everything up, trying to keep a cleaner work area this time. So there we have it with the black diffuser. I mean, you can't really tell about the black diffuser from this angle. You can barely see it, but it's there. But right now we're gonna finish putting everything back together, so we should be good to go. All right, so there we have it, put back together. Finally done. Yep. good to go. Got the diffuser, so we remove the winglets, and so these aren't going to be on anymore. We're just going to run the diffuser the way it is right there. Right now we're going to mount it back up. Hopefully we don't have to drill holes into the bumper for that bolts, those two bolts that are going right there. Let's see. Damn, fool. Neta se mira chingón.
Tiene que quedar así, güey.
No mames, sticks out too far away, as close as you can.
Güey, pues, si lo meto más para adentro, güey, estas madres se van a meter hasta adentro, güey.
Who cares, güey? Pues ni modo que tengas el diffuser así saliendo para afuera, güey. You have to get close.
Fuck, así, güey.
Sí, güey.
Hasta adentro, look at that shit.
Who cares? Se mira mejor así, güey, de como lo tenías. Alright, so diffuser's on, but right now we have to drill this little hole that you guys see right there. So, hold it up, Mars, otra vez. Hold it up right there. At the center?
Ahí está, güey.
You can let go, Mars.
Espérate, güey, espérate. Hold on. Más o menos, ¿cómo está, güey? Center.
Right there, that's centered.
At center?
Yeah.
Dale, pues, ahí, güey.
Alright.
Yo lo that shit.
So, alright, there we go. And that's how you ruin a new IPL bumper.
So,
And here we go on this side too.
okay.
There you go. Bolts.
Agárrale, güey. Déjalo, agárrale con la otra mano, güey. Yo lo pongo por arriba si quieres.
Alright, so we have the bolts in. Now we just gotta put the license plate on. And it should be good to go. Damn. Sí, ahora ya que se mira bien la placa. Damn, there we have it. Bumper's done. All we have to do is just put the wheels back on, lower the car, and check how she looks. And there we have it. Okay, so it's no more light. We need to go like to Chevron.
A mí sí se ve bien, güey. Mira, güey.
Wow, it must be nice, bro. Bumper finally done. Bam. What the fuck?
Mars bounce?
Yeah. Just realized too, you can't even see the seam at the bottom. Damn.
Fuck. Donde sí la van a hacer de pedo, güey, es donde se mira la tierra, güey.
That's true. So George didn't really properly clean the bumper. So there's like a little bump, couple bumps here and there from probably dirt that got under it. But it's hard to tell unless you point it out. But that's about it for today's video. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.